Today I'm excited to take you on a deep dive into my personal Apple ecosystem. I'll be showcasing the Apple devices I rely on a daily basis, as well as explaining how they seamlessly integrate into my workflow. These devices not only enhance my productivity, but also play a key role in running this YouTube channel. I'll also highlight the incredible synergy between Apple products, demonstrating how smooth and intuitive it is to switch between them, whether it's editing photos or managing content. Keep in mind, just because these devices work best for me, doesn't mean they'll necessarily be the right fit for you and your specific needs. If you're new here, we cover everything tech and gaming, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with future content. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video and check out my perfect Apple ecosystem. Starting things off, let's talk about the most essential Apple device in my ecosystem, the iPhone. It's the one device I always have with me, no matter where I go. Currently, I own two iPhones, the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro. You might be wondering, why two iPhones? Well, each serves a unique purpose in my daily life, and I'll explain exactly how I use them to maximize productivity. When it comes to the iPhone 15 Pro, it's been my daily driver for which I use for everything such as phone calls, responding to emails, engaging with your comments, and much more. It's a device that's always by my side. My iPhone 15 Pro comes in the sleek black titanium finish, which I know is basic, but in my opinion, it's the best color out of the lineup. Although the base model starts at 128 gigabytes, I opted for the 256 gigabyte storage version last year, since I'm someone who utilizes his camera a lot for taking photos and videos. Even though the iPhone 16 Pro recently released, I still chose to stick with my iPhone 15 Pro as I didn't feel the need to upgrade. The iPhone 15 Pro still performs exceptionally well as it includes the A17 Pro chip, which will be able to take full advantage of Apple's intelligence features once they have been released. Let me know in the comments whether or not you've upgraded to the new iPhone 16 lineup, and if so, how's your experience been with it so far? Moving on, let's talk about my iPhone 12 Pro, which has been my main camera for this YouTube channel. It's the phone I rely on to record long-form content as well as short-form content. For anyone looking to start a new YouTube channel, trust me when I say that sometimes the best camera is the one you already own in your pocket. The iPhone 12 Pro that I currently own comes in the stunning graphite color and includes 128 gigabytes of storage, plenty for my content needs. When it comes to the camera on this device, it offers excellent video quality that rivals even some professional cameras. Whether it's shooting in 4K or using the phone's built-in stabilization features, the iPhone 12 Pro delivers smooth, high-quality footage that's easy to edit and upload on the go. If you're just starting out, you don't need the latest and greatest equipment. What matters most is having a tool that's simple to use and reliable like the iPhone. Its combination of portability and impressive video quality makes it a powerful option for creators at any level. Now, the latest addition to my Apple ecosystem is the brand new M4 Mac Mini, a device that has quickly become essential in my daily setup. Despite being relatively new to the market, it fills a key role in my workflow. This compact powerhouse is equipped with Apple's cutting-edge M4 chip, 16 gigabytes of upgraded RAM, and a somewhat limiting 256 gigabyte of storage. While not perfect, the Mac Mini delivers exceptional performance at an affordable starting price of $599, and it's often available for less on platforms like Amazon, Best Buy, or directly through Apple's education discount. For those seeking a powerful yet compact computing system at a reasonable price, the M4 Mac Mini is an excellent choice. It's ideal for everyday tasks, creative projects, and moderate workloads. Though it might not suit users with intensive computing needs like 3D rendering or heavy video editing, overall this device strikes a fantastic balance between portability, performance, and price, making it a highly recommended option for most users. The next standout device in my Apple ecosystem is my 12.9-inch M2 iPad Pro, powered by the M2 chip. Equipped with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. This device is more than just a tablet, it's my primary computer. The performance is exceptional, handling everything from intensive video and photo editing to seamless multitasking without breaking a sweat. It has consistently exceeded my expectations in both capability and convenience. For those who truly understand and appreciate its potential, the iPad Pro is a powerhouse. As a tablet-first device, it offers an incredible range of functionality, especially when enhanced with the right accessories. The stunning lit with Retina XDR display elevates the experience whether I'm consuming media, editing photos, or working on a design. When paired with the Apple Pencil, it only improves one's experience, especially when it comes to note-taking and sketching, a great accessory for both professional tasks and creative endeavors. What truly sets the M2 iPad Pro apart, however, is its versatility. With the right accessories like a keyboard and trackpad, it becomes a full-fledged computer replacement. But when I want to relax, I can just as easily use it in the tablet mode to enjoy my downtime, whether it's watching anime or streaming YouTube videos. The seamless transition between work and leisure is what makes this device truly special, proving that it's an all-in-one solution for both productivity and entertainment. A great companion to my M2 iPad Pro is the second generation Apple Pencil. When I first bought it, I imagined it would be an accessory I would use daily with my iPad Pro. However, that hasn't been the case. I primarily find myself using the Apple Pencil for tasks like note-taking and photo editing and not much else. While I wish I had the artistic skills to make full use of its potential, unfortunately, that's not a talent I possess. For those looking for a more affordable option, the USB-C Apple Pencil is worth considering. It's the most budget-friendly Apple Pencil, and it's compatible with a wide range of iPads, including both iPad mini models, the 4th, 5th, and 6th generation iPad Air, and the iPad Pro models. However, one downside of the USB-C Apple Pencil is its charging method. Instead of magnetically attaching and charging on the side of the iPad like the second generation Apple Pencil, it instead charges via USB-C connection, which can be a little inconvenient. If you're someone who values seamless charging integration, this might be a deal breaker. Let me know in the comments. Does this charging method bother you, or would you consider the USB-C Apple Pencil as a good alternative? Now let's move on to my next Apple device, the Apple Watch Series 8, which I've been using since its release. As someone who enjoys exercising and tracking daily metrics like steps, calories burned, and more, the Apple Watch has become an essential part of my routine. The Series 8 has also been incredibly useful for video recording, allowing me to view the camera screen and control recordings directly from my watch. This feature has been especially helpful when creating content for this YouTube channel. While Apple has recently launched the Series 10, I'm sticking with the Series 8 for now, as I don't see a pressing need to upgrade just yet. When it comes to Apple AirPods, I've owned several over the years, but my favorite by far has to be the 4th generation AirPods with active noise cancellation. These headphones excel in every way, from their exceptional comfort to their impressive noise cancellation capabilities. Powered by Apple's H2 chip, the AirPods 4 ANC deliver outstanding sound quality and significantly improved call clarity. They also come packed with features like adaptive audio, transparency mode, and of course active noise cancellation. One standout feature is conversation awareness, which automatically detects when you're speaking and lowers the volume of your audio, allowing you to seamlessly engage in conversations without missing a beat. As for these headphones, they've become my go-to for various activities, whether I'm traveling, working out in the gym, or video editing. The noise cancellation is excellent for the price point, though for those seeking top-tier noise isolation, I'd recommend upgrading to the AirPods Pro. Overall, the AirPods 4 ANC are a fantastic option for anyone considering a versatile and high-performing set of headphones. If you're on the fence, I'd strongly suggest picking these up. You won't be disappointed. Overall, I love my Apple ecosystem. It has truly transformed how I go about my day-to-day life. Each device plays a significant role, seamlessly integrating to make my tasks easier and more efficient. While I understand that my setup may not work for everyone, some might prefer a MacBook over an iPad, for instance, but when it comes down to my personal needs and use case, it works out just great. I'd love to hear about your own Apple ecosystem. Let me know in the comments which Apple devices you've included and why you chose them. What works for you might inspire someone else to build their ideal setup. As always, Tech World, it's been a pleasure, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.